ole ole kalau sherang don yo kala pe chuak che ro mo kalau tiang o what is up people, how are you all doing? Upload कैसे?
No. Start ma.
What's up guys? I miss you all. How are you doing? I miss you all so much. Hello. How are you all doing? Good morning. I can't stop, guys. Help me. Please try and make me stop. I can't stop working, guys. That's why I just come on live. I wanna just have a normal conversation with you all. So, thank you so much. Sa lung le event hi local do nem. Lung le event min som chong ka local lang. Som phut da win. Ôi cái thứ tục mua cái mua à fan lỗ véo thì mua mong à xuân cả lâu phải nghe cả lâu xuân. Good morning. Hello guys. In ngày lúc tục I miss you all. So I've not come on live for like almost a month due to heavy lot of work in atam em ma kan sin ko na sa vai cả lâu live man thin lo cả lâu kom chắc thấy lúc tục châu so how are you all doing? How can I join your team? But you just send me a DM. I will personally I will talk to you. We can do trainings or I can connect you to one of the greatest leaders in our team as well, right? My lifesaver. Oh my God, thank you so much. So see, like we are all saved by God. Let me claim that I'm not your lifesaver. Jesus did, right? He wake you up every day. That's why we meet, or that's why you encounter my video. So it's not me. It's not me, it's always him, the big boss God. Sa Shillong I local ve don kaldon Shillong a team lian tok kan nei don kan local don. I'm gonna come soon. Oi sar mi so mi pasing kalo me ka fa phu lo ve. I love you too. Speak English. Of course I'm speaking English. So guys, I hope you all are doing well and fine. And how is everyone? Hello. In Uang. Let's do this. Let's do a rapid question round. You ask me questions, I ask you back if you like. Jesus sent you for me. I can accept that. And thank you so much. If I play a role in your life, in improving your life, it might be a little step or a small step, but if one of my videos or anything I do, if it help you, then I fulfilled why I'm here. That's it. I'm nobody. I don't know anybody. I'm nobody, but I will do everything to help others who are in need, whom I can help, right? Dampuya Ji, big shout out to my brother who worked really hard, Dampuya, because he just achieved his travel fund today as a silver director in Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Vestige, kovel mun shanga, kehnia ka von nu chia theina to travel fund lian lutuk. Hong ani kalom pui tak zet science student ania Chhung den helama kal tu nia atui lutuk lo ning ka sia athin lung zuin avo drop out ka tina lam ni loin atipani part time in chon so mi chung pozon result muchani. So really happy. Guys, let's talk about career ngating love life lam le relationship lang lo so fi lo wala kina asan pai kan so yang advice te po kanin pedonia. Class 12 ka zo huna kum som pasari kan ni dona ka join na tlai lo ma se tu na join la ka vative training te attend ngala. Your biggest regret. See, great question. Isak Kolni, thank you so much for asking me this question, because we all live a life of regrets at some point. It doesn't mean that I'm nihilist or I'm a negative person, but I do have some regrets in my life. In career wise, it would be if I would go back and meet that old me, that 14-year-old me who was loving to play football, like I will just tell him that think outside the box early, right? Think outside the box early, think big, because I was thinking so small. only at the age of 20 I know that I could become rich. At the age of 20, only at the age of 20 I found the power in me. So if you people are listening and you are around 14, 15, 16, you guys are damn lucky that you watch this life. You guys are so lucky. All those 30 plus also, listen to me, hear me out. You're not late, right? Don't live a life of regrets, my dear friend. Follow your heart, not your brain at some point. See, you could be the president if you want, right? There's nothing in this art that you cannot be. You might be thinking I'm crazy or something, but like, it's proven. I see no one to earning more than almost 10 lakhs in 4 months in our team. 10 lakhs in 4 months. Crazy, isn't it? A small village boy. So you can do it. Bill nui la nei man lawa chan chu kala boy le tu. Oh my god. Sar nui char char roi mai ka lo me. Vestige Top G living ngor a thayem network vela tel loin. Thei lu tu ke. Ma sen network bil lo chon income nei thei lo. Beautiful mask behind you. Yeah, he's one of all the time. He's my inspiration. Thank you so much, guys. It's the Batman, right? He's rich and he can fight. I'm gonna be that. What is your dream, sir? My dream is to help. Right now, the short-term dream is to help 50 leaders, 50 people to earn 50,000 a month. I want to raise them up. I want to be one of the bricks that they step to reach higher position in their life, and I'll do everything to do that. And the next is, I just want to help people who are in need. I just want to build homes, right? Like, help them out, teach them, not only helping and not only giving them money, but give wisdom, if I may, right? So that's my dreams. It's a lot. Advice for gamers: make sure you can buy your mom a house through your gaming. All the gamers here, I'm not disrespecting you, but if you are doing something, make sure you mint money out of it. Make sure you make money out of it. Gamer niya nileng amutang ka support mi ma gamer niya ka chien pa ma ISO kalau shout out dua ISO OG Mizoram, big shout out, because I see them grinding. An khel me velo ni do an du thunu an khel velo an pay mo whether they like to play it or not, they play it. Zingan thawa an khel rang pay mo di an pay lo an han mitte na achang atam ma se an tizela tu na chuan living anin chom thei to, guys. Just think about that. You guys anin anglo game khel satlian. So if you are doing something, do it wholeheartedly. Zoom meeting I host do na katel yang kalo me lo tel ro. Oh, can't you tell me? Oh, sar nang ni ang lo ting tur chuan bibig ni ang ti saka kala lo ting lo lo tin na kal ko nga chung kom ka intia ma se kala lo ting lo a tuma kan ti mai nga lo ting lo mai akal ko nga kanom. That's it. Chuan mi big ni ang yan ti chuan adik. They are telling the right thing if they tell that you need to be special if you want to become successful, because all the successful people are special, right? But the thing is, you can change as a human being. You can be whatever you like. You can just be like, throw your phone away and I will grind. I will work for a new iPhone 14 and boom, 3 months, 4 months, you can get it, right? And I see so many people who did that. Nang niang in lo ting turin lo mi big niang ai ti so oh adik chuan mi big in ni thei tu po ha mi big in ni thei ron motivate chau po chu ma ma ka ron luang liam ve ma ka ron soi ni sa tu na chu in tai la zir la hi ti boy ka hlau sia chuan join su ti boy lo tir dan chu am tho ka chan lu tuk che ka lo ve ido vestige ka join chan po khan hello guys. Kalau cheers ka tu mga mo ma se ka cheers rak man lo be te me se thiam ula sir invitation training ti ang ang ka ventel ve du invitation training chu sa impon sar zo re ma kan start director khan ne sin linkin mulo mio ani lo chon person contact ula training point thea recorded version pom oh sorry the aspect when impression me pek le tour beginners meet pek tour did hard work pays off every damn time. There's nothing free here. Like, eng ma thoni na kal ral lo. aman kan hu vek a try mo thalo mo sa September Shillong boot camp ma khan assistant director china kalthem no a thei don lo bronze and above ani don no I want to join. So our favorite book till it's the Bible. Every night I'm reading it, and I always get wisdom from this book. It's the best book on earth, a whole universe. That's the Bible. And if you ask me in a career wise, then it's Think and Grow Rich. Every damn time again, Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill. I want to thank him so much, guys, because the thing that he did, talking to all those millionaires, all those billionaires, for us to get those valuable points, valuable philosophies. Ôi boy thấy chưa? Boy về thâu mày. Work hard or work smart. There's nothing called work smart, okay? I mean like, yeah, if you work hard, you will work smart. That's it. If you work hard, your work will be smart. That's it. Mizo trôi gan nghe. In til ti lai khamo in fin chil thei ma at chil ro. Fin chil his work smart ni mai ta. In fin chil thei ma at chil bro. Sir, any advice for a 16-year-old kid? See, I'm not even in a position to give advice, but if you ask me, I will say this. Just think outside the box. See what other 16-year-old guys are doing, Len. I'm not telling you to compare yourself to the people who are living in the United States, but you can get inspiration from them. Don't just sit around arguing with your parents or having a girlfriend or boyfriend because you can't even treat your girlfriend. You can't even pay for her meal. So don't have it yet. Once you earn lakhs and lakhs every month, have be in a relationship. That's fine, but don't before. So football la khel ngai ve do chua na badi so na hey chua nei ka lo sha do ka thian pa dia academia ka nom poi abon to mo idom em badi ka lai khel so in mu khat ko mai. Yo bro, what's up Dusang fan page. See, this is the thing, right? Dusang, let me a big shout out to my buddy Dusang again, because he earned it. This is not his page, it's his fan page, and I'm not telling that he is celebrity and all, but he worked hard for this and people are getting inspiration from him. They even create a page on his name. Sa tuan kumsom pathum kania kumsom pangavela chuan lok na kan muto angem kumsom pathuma po lok na chuin muthei lok na kan tiam poisa khan lawa kumsom pathuma chon poisa ai mo in chung ko mo za dan ka chelawa in mo viang chon poisa po I aim thiama se I chung nen la chom thei che ri chuan kumsom pathum ni chuan kumsom pare ti ni huna in ready to rin la in struggle ai lo I ril ru lo siam lok ro om je chu enge mo lo to do something right now, right? Chuan kalom, I want to thank you Rins Ralte kumsom pathuminia kumsom pathumini laya ai hetia ang zone ai ron zot thei hi kalom pui lu tuk che. Oh my god guys, ka scroll pel chok mai me au thiam mu la. Oh so tonight class 11 ka kalme ka school kal chung hian enge engtin nge ka ti ve theang school a khan darkar rukvel huni manga extra class and darkar sarit tai lang darkar som pa nga dang ila nei som nga som pa ko chu tiang fe chu ila nei chu wangin ila nga lu tu mo enga mo tero lekha bu chirla bible chirla self help book chirla I uten ngenti enton tla khau khan ngenti kha shiaula ka du avan thave zo na meron zo sap avan lo om veo chuan kan lo zia zero chan ve ka lo to wang chuan nang mani pon advice bin pek du chuan I'm open up at all times. Sarni le business lam tum ta ira lotlin na ro pui tak achan thei reng em thei business a pe chuan angai nge so lotlin na ro pui tak I chang du chuan football sports cycle lo ni chuan business a thaka de business. Who is your football idol or your god? I retired to it was Mesut Ozil. I always see his humbleness in the field, although he can fight sometimes, but yeah, that's he was my idol. I thought to life make nice. Low life ro. Se for en zero ma se en ngot low la in zero la. Your skincare routine, please. Yeah, great question. Vavak. My skincare, I use face wash. That's it. And the next, I put on some cleanser and toner, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen at all times. Even at night, I put on sunscreen. And after that, a nice lip gloss. And I rub my face with ice. vurin tiếng cái đẹp qual trên anh lâu sell thi tết tiếng lâu nan so à thục bục càng ngấu mi lâu nhỉ mà sẽ cái vốn hi thi đón lâu anh ấy top chuan mấy gì su smoking is not cool and drinking is not cool doing drugs lean ti vel kha cool lâu Ivunity chia isama ro panga I bro kanga I that chianga pathian ni hlat bokang nuna a thing thei zong kha I form kem vekang lin ti vel ti chin chuan weed tabo so get away from all those sa school kal chung si hian vestige ti kop them the college ka graduate chep ta ka graduate lo ta ma se ka ti char tho final exam theng khan was following after you after seeing your reel of mustard that changed. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. If I am helping you, then I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Angela King, the Sarkat here, no, last night, I saw love is on the last night. I saw him drop out culture here. Ka support vak bi cho mi aro ni amai ro chu a chu la ni chon tiro ke mangi pon ka ti wangin ma se enga ma drop out ngal ngot khan ni lo a big in network even especially in network, right guys, see, especially in network you need people, so you need school, you need the colleges, you need the context, you need to meet people every damn time, so don't just be like I'm gonna drop out ringot laman ni lo drop out na zongan floating lo ma se drop out chan chiang taka ai enge chiang le fight tang ta chon floating chin. How much your bonus in 1 month in Vestige? Sometimes it's 2 lakhs, sometimes it's 2.4, sometimes it's 2.5. That's it. Give me some motivation. I will not because I don't believe in motivation, guys. Favorite footballer, Mesut Ozil. In Nui Mate, you guys might love, but yeah, he's my favorite, and he's always my inspiration. Although he's a Muslim. Sa 29 class 11 science kala mega silonga eng tin nge school kal chungin ka dive thayang school hour lawa. Hey, have a set time, guys. Ar akbara chungchang zir huntur le I grind huntur kha set chang ro. Vampire ti nei. Sẽ don so. Nang mang kha tu du ma nom lo mi bikini kha adik che isoi nang ma po kha mi bikini di kiang te sa fast 8 kan ni mega thaliam bronze director india ka thiang congratulations for your fast 8% and thalia chuanin point sanga zanga nei man tumro sales siam chau tumro. I'll make you proud, sir. Alfred, I believe in you. You're gonna do that. The Friday show nei kom nei tiang e chuang. The Friday show nei chuan Thursday ania Friday vel ni lo mo naktu kan ya Friday. So next week 5 so boy live me on the local vela o le live ani loin mo e loin mi lo shil chiamula tro e personalin sir ka chen with last 9 ania school chol sara vestige do poivio web chol san kher loin ron join ro se chol san kher ai lo I trong poi mu nom tham kalau abeng cheng view kalau ringa sana mani yang ni vega dua ke mang ni dure ra su an nuam bi lo nyo an nuam bi mi lo nyo har sana tam lu tu chuan nang ma a chaber khani tumro tu mai ni ngai lo nang ma a chaber khani ni ro. That's it. I thei pato be chuan cheng sing khati lo en chuan ka fak lu tuk che itan kut ka beng ma se Singapore lo thei reng kha I that che da wang le Israel thela wangin sing khat le ke lo ni chuan za thap. What was the more important thing to be success? Believing that you can become successful is the most important thing to become successful. Sa so tel lam hi rong kal vein to em o sai to chu kan kapi ta khwania ka rong kal thin lom. Sa mo she ti lo chua dang ha. Sa du sa kan su ya phal lawang ka tho pui bai. Mo she ti lo chua dang ha chun thuruk ani thuruk nakin aron phau lang fashion brand lian tak aron siam don. Sarthil pakhat Nelson Mandela chuan tia lo soya hlen chua ani ma chuan ti thei lo angin alang thin ti in chuan sarka kanin hunge ang adik lu tu Nelson Mandela soi ka trom pui thap a chan chu mi nan ti mai chuan ti thei lo angin alang thin lo ma se ati thei chiang tro avan ti thei chiang tak so atitu ni ro atitu ni ro I feel proud of you. Thank you so much, and I feeling proud of you as well for writing that down. Favorite book of 2023. 2023 chua ka mo hindi. 2023 cho akum unpublished kum hi ka en lem lo ka en lutuk lo mo. Mai tun nai ka chiam non le chuanin eng lo hi The Richest Man in Babylon ka poisa ka mang thiam lo le leng khopa mo. Ma ni lo ka tang ka save ve chia ni. Chu chuan min save dear. Milo tell Messi or Ronaldo. I'm sorry, Messi fans, but I'm a Ronaldo's fan. But I also respect Messi at all costs. I respect him at all. I respect him very much. Kum som pathum kanya online shopping le thil dang atang cheng sanga ve lo ve to ma se he ai tam hilo. Acha I online shopping kan next level a shwero. Engei ti thei online shopping dang ti hawi engting e beat thei. Ngai to. Top 1% kanom theiang. Top 1% ai om thei the top 1% ai om thei don chon India chon at least minimum nuôi khát lo ngay, chuan chumi tora chuan in top 1% chu dan sang so ma lo chung chang a te nia mindset a te nia top 1% ti chuan tlang puin yes India GDP kan en chuan thakada nuôi chung I lo thein chuan top 1% ai kal ha lo time freedom om lo hi boy thak time freedom hi anuam chu tluka hluam hlei ne. Thank you so much guys. Zain so spice tea karon in lawa ma se hai in man pon kan se lo in zona thalom kop be kalom ke pong ka lok pui ani chung ko ka chom theang I chung ko chumo lo poisa lo la chu I thei ba top chuala na thok la rin om takin poisa lo chok lai chung de chu chom theang iflm wang I met te lo mai guys in ti za thak thei mai nga ting e mi zo chong please lu to ke. Hey guys, I nationalist về tắc mấy cái này mi dâu trăng val India in chuang về em chuyện cái thắm đăng triển để bồi bộ mà sẽ sắp trong các mình đã chân trên hi cái thiếm lâu lúc tụi sắp trong hi cái trong địch lâu nó sẽ thấy đôi chỗ mà cái rồi in zir party này chỗ vậy mình sẽ thiếm đó cái in zir mega Hindi để bộ broken tắc cái cảm mong chuyện mình nuôi nó sẽ chuyện em mà school để bộ college để bộ mà sẽ cái in zir này हम भी सीख रहे तो बोलेगा आप लोग क्या सुनना चाहते हो nghe share tin du anh tin nghe wait chu soi chia de wait chu mo ka mu dan chuan me in abuse chuan a thalo abuse lo ni chuan in and Steve Jobs te po an lo si ve hla thin ta in mo fact tho mi lo ting tam tak te pon wait chu zu ta NBA player te pon ma se enro effect ngai mi lo ang kha mi te ha ni lo et lai ve da zoi to ka in đâu thì về hát cho dạ thao tục lộ trình phật đâu in giúp được pon Vestige face wash a mang ngai lu tục avalo mom em Vestige face wash kan fak nga le assure so at last then zo drop out ke even commerce business star ang tin drop out hi in ron tum na sal tuwa hey kan mizoram a than wang ani pakhat karinga amai ro chu ril ru ngai tu na fim tak nen tiu la ka du tam tak ka mu chu sar bia lu apo college drop out ta tian lo drop out ring hot ta ni kha ke chuan a chan ka chiang a sin ka chiang lu tuk let to na tur ka nei lo a ka thok rem do ka lo tin pui do ne to phe ming chen nei she thiam em chu tiang ril ruin nei lo ni chuan ti su a den lu anh tiếng nghe ha var em thấy var emo ama sai mi lo zora ka soi lok duwa ka soi long den ta sure ka mang ta chuan soda le nim butui hi chok ula not hino chuan kuwa e lo la shikhar e lo la sa da muam lo la in ha chu var ngal do sang a fan page thank you so much so I'm 16 years old and thinking to drop out my school again guys see if you want to drop out go do it but make sure it is vivid and it is clear you are crystal clear that you're going to be successful and you're going to do it always take risk but you must calculate it first that means take calculated risk sir confidence chatok nei thei tur hian engtin point confidence chatok nei thei tur lo ngai tha chiang ro mi za thum som hi ver kanom avan lo mo mem ka lo chhei du chu if you want to have a strong confident characteristic confident takin ni chun thokrim ro te hello chu tai sin ro nak tu zinga nimin voin mind thoni push up voice hom tal teula exercise laula in bol ula nilengin in thei patop chuaro zel thel mi asu chuan zanin mudona in ngai tuang in tong tai zo voin hang ka thei patop ka chua thil lian tham chu le lo ma se ka gol ka then thei na tan ke ka pe na ni kha feeling ne na zanin mu thi nei chuan mo in confi ngo tang mi confi lo chu mi that chen ni tlang puyang en rang ro sir next week our life mi local ve kal thei ngai ka duwa mi lo shil ro ka she ve che lom le min van shil har ve te ka tu lo se last 10 hi pass zo business hi zom ati chuan 11 a kal pain business ti ve ka duwa chu ta income zain o adik kha tha spooky see if you want to drop your education, make sure that the business that you are in is trustworthy. Make sure that the business that you are doing in drop out chuan in thil ti lai khan a chan thei chau em ti kha chiang ro I chung kwa chan him theng em o chuan chu ta chuan thei pa top chu ro chut ro ti nai chu take calculated risk in muya hen ngai noi thina van no em a ma sain pathian min pe ka ne ka lo me ma se ka en kol thave a noi chi thade de te po om ve tro lip gloss te mangula mi pa te po ha pa lo na ni lo ni in vun in en kol that chuan mi tho ting tak ti dan in ti ni mai daily routine daily routine hi tu kan sin hi chuan a boi noi ma se a kan sin pon the pa to pin pathum da ju te ti thin ta daily routine ka thowa pathian hena ka ni ka hla na chuan sunlight ka donga ka thok hal chok lai lo ka fasting chara ka thok chara ka phu toy choi ka phu ve toy ka ti huna chok ai a chuan thok le hal chara zana hi don zoom schedule kan nei tlang puya chuan ka hmangai te ka ta na poimo te nen hun ka hmang thin bo ka kola achang le ka message achang le ka wan puya ka nau nei ve ang te achang le ka wan puya chuan chu ni mai mommy khiang te big shout out to mommy. We have mommy in the house, guys. Mommy zai thiam em le sweet FM mai ni ya ha mutui kan la ti bo ka ani hi ka lo soi du chu kan project khoi dun te pon lo nei no la OG a te elo ama music video te po project kan nei dun to ka lo soi du chu mi tam tang in soi thin dan hian in enge ama se kha chu aba pona care chu a care lo wa ka fak na po ni ya bulletproof mindset ani top mai engang pon soi ro she won't care, she'll do her thing kha lotina na poi mo ta ka ni so heads off to you mommy. Good night. Sar loting to en ho sak phot hi angai an tia ingai dan zo aniam man i ho sa sai zo poi mi lo ka soi se lo ma se mi re thei ber po loting thei khove la hen engma ngai renga om tu rom lo a in thak fact don the only thing that is constant in life is change thil pakhat che in thak lo om so in thak ani om se so sang ber po noi berakal thea noi ber po sang berakal thei. You guys are telling me to speak English and some are telling me to talk in Mizo. According to the questions, I will switch my language, okay? Because I'm practicing. Mizo to practice. Lutuk kangai to lawa. Ma se English le Hindi ka zir tu ka chu wangin. Kalau mang lui ve sam thina mi lo se thiam bok ula. Amai ro chu in zo na te Mizo tong so Mizo tong in kalau chang don che su Ronaldo fans. Kan va scroll muang ve guys logo. A fine karon chang manang em sa đâu này rồi thổ pui tôi thì sẽ ông gì thổ pui những ông gì hay các bạn sẽ thiếu lâu về lâu soi trời lúc xí sao nó mà lộ tiếng các lộ tiếng anh lâu akal công akan om châu này example point cái zuar char acha pathian alo mom pathian ming lam ri tam in lam ri hi kalom amoi ka ti so pathian hian in mal som chaw dunia ama bel masaro hoi sen takin deal ro chu này trading it mi kazir ve pa mo ma se kat ti vak lo liquid lu tu ka ram le hi kala du zok fan he ang physical asset ni lo hi chu kala ring tu lo ve mo aden ve a tho rim taka kan tho noi som te ka second khat chui na bo vek thea chu wang chuan ram le te poi kala chak zok ma ge ma chuan le physical asset hi kala ring amai ro chu nia future ania tre eng lo te cryptocurrency te po so ka beng ka chungong chuang lo wa ka zir ve pa keu wa ne har khop mai if is more da me dan vek to em teu lo kala dan tlem tu ka mu don chau le eng vuk ma kala ti lo so How can I speak confidently in front of others? Be confident. Just, hey, see, guys, you asked me Vavak Kim, so I'll answer you. If you want to speak confidently in front of other people, even if you are not confident, act like you are confident. See, when you don't show that you are not confident, then no one can know that you are not confident. You will look confident. Ngachi, buddy, you are a top G. I want to say you that. So come to the top, brother. Blockchain explanation. Sorry, I cannot give you that because til ka sia chen lai to ka soi ngam lo. Ming ringot ka sia kala soi chiang ngam lo. Stephen Rothfella. Galo me Stephen pathian mi takani alo mom. Sir, speak English. I can't understand. Yeah, of course I'm speaking. Can you please speak in English? Sure. Go ahead, trouble. Sir, job shipping the tum vem. Job shipping. Oh, athalo ka ti mi lo ma job shipping aya. Rin tlang le ol zo kan ti tiang ol ti la di kang em rin tlang zo ka ko ma chu wang jong ka la ngai fen lu tuk si lo ka chu. Eng distributor in like ha shal Karlber mo. Eng distributor in the like han shal Karlber. Se ka shalo hai zo nai. Sab kan ni le nem lam pop pop tu ni etro. How du le kan trong thiam lo wang chu ti fe mai tu. Sar tha la pu che ka ka en na ka rin ai sang ka ti. Văn lộn. Sorry join dear Khan. Thalai lâu thì to anh tâm em anh hol phá cho em. Ai mô anh tâm lâu anh tâm thấu mà sẽ anh tâm lâu thì về chú đi thì lem thì anh tâm tụi mô các tìm hiểu anh tóc mẹ sao cái sao mẹ bố thì khu áp cái sao sao hiểu sao chung của trong nghe middle class bắt thiên anh hậu sa căn nuôi bắt thiên anh hậu saกันngayโดนเราที่อาเซียนนี่ตกมาใช้ซุ้มมังซงกันในบีกลุตุกเราเนี่ยกลัวก็มันเห็นกันอุปสรรคที่นะกันแล้วเชื่อเรื่องจู่ไว้ขัดเสียกันเตลันเสียกันในหรอกันนู่นกันเพียวอาจจะลันทำมาสุฟายไล่ค่ะกันมิดท่าละจ้ามาใช้ไว้เนี่ยจนกี่มันในโดนนี่ตกเฟลตัว two man face was อาชาbros kum khat chung in 5 figure ka earn theng tro lu tuke kum khat kum chan via poi thei under boss chuna rina congrats vena kalo la call lo cha it tek kalo mo all the best buddy congratulations sir business turn to in minimum age ka kum komi kha company CEO ka siat no pang ber ni so kai kum kwa te pon company run chuan age om lo sa Mizoram ami Vestige khoi ve ta se Mizoram ami hi Vestige khoi ve ta se ngi khoi vek ta se an khoi vek don lo lo customer nom don guys ka scroll zo man don lo next call ka nei ngai mo yes guys I really want to speak in all see you guys are telling me to speak in English and Hindi some are Mizo and I just can't speak at all language one time. So according to your question I'm answering, okay? I try my best in doing that. Oh, karing châu karing em ti ho kha karing châu chu ai poi mo chu pathian ring ula nang mani ring ro in boot camp ve ngai am boot camp lu to ke hello biak lu sa hello buddy hello trading ATM tu na ri cho hai a industry ka en ve mai shini network marketing le fashion brand karan that's it sir business karna up ke देशों में राहु इंडिया से वेस्टिज कंपनी से बहुत शुक्रिया कलोम कछांग दिगा ngemle let me translate it okay the way I say it I saw you doing Vestige and I really love it that's why I come to Vestige I think that is what you are telling Akas and इसलिए मैं बहुत शुक्रिया सर spirulina hi em fakte spirulina hi mai te ka fang nileng in thei pa top choin ka thok to kal kuala chuan zaina hey ki tho in karon la life it's because of spirulina oh mi chia kan good night lo re nang mani song song po ka ti vek cho oh okay guys like kalom look I'm really happy for you for those questions and for those advices, and I really love you guys because every time I go live I always find more reasons to grind, more reasons to give you more through my company, through my fashion brand and through my businesses, and that's the reason why you guys play an important role. So I consider this Instagram family a big one, and more contents are coming up. I'm really thrilled and I'm really excited for the contents and for the projects that we are working on. So keep on supporting, be your best self at all times, put God first, and always remember, boys, in whatever you do, always be the best man. All right, become successful and be able to fight. That's it. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.